and check to see if it. Right, you can go check.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and look. And then on which one was the other one that was a continuance on?
No, it was
And then this, I guess she called. And she was saying that she needed to go to school, so she wanted to make sure that she had all the interpretations first. So I just put it. This is just what she was on the grade.
In your last slide. Because I have concerns. Oh. Something like that. You know, so it's like the whole. Oh. What happens if Reddit has something very interesting to say? See it. If a tree falls in the forest, if something goes on Reddit and I don't see it, is it really happening? And the real question is, what do we say to the God of death? I don't know. I'm going to pick notebooks. She's 50, but for a little bit. Don't 2-year-old stack. Spread this back. We take it right. Yeah. It's not just this. Violence so high. Oh, wow. Opposite that. It shows up. Let's take your stuff. Oh. This point, let's throw away. Well, and we go to the draft. So, yeah. So we can but I'm moving it back. Something like that. Oh, hard ass, not so hard ass. We touch this up. We touch me right there. Well, I'm not sure.
Right there.
I'm not sure. So because then she's just going to some people.
Oh, there's a light bulb. I wonder if it works.
Right. But look, the lights that they installed, like that's from originally when there was electricity.
We wondered about that. Why is it silver?
Otherwise, like clearly, it just fit up there.
Yeah.
Spot. 440 units. That's like the right. Down that grade. That's the texture. Turning all my coats. 404 euros. This is going to be. Then press the top. Also, people are out. In this press the top. So basically, reductions of trees. Right, 6 times. It's out of here. Send it out of here. Right, we're done.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Do I get a new ring? Don't mind.
A little bit.
Let me make sure I hear.
Huh?
Let me make sure I hear him.
Oh.
Quick, quick, go, quick.
Matthew. Matthew. Bebe. Let's go. Come on. Let's go outside.
Can everyone hear us okay? Hello? Can y'all hear us okay?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay. Yes. The judge is just, she's finishing up with it was a last minute meeting that they set up yesterday for 9 o'clock this morning. So she's running a little late, but she'll be on in just a little bit. Thank you for your patience.
What's up, Cass?
Oh, how you doing, dog?
Good, all right. How you been, man?
I'm good, man. How've you been?
I've been all right. Chilling.
Oh yeah, dude.
me unmute myself. Good morning, this is Judge Guevara. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, thank you. Okay, we're gonna get started with our pre-trials today. Today is August the 12th, and the time already is 10:11. And I'd like to welcome everybody that has come to this court today. I'm Cinderella Guevara, the Presidio County Judge. And here today in the courtroom is our county attorney, Rod Ponton, his staff, Brenda Pondo, and then we also have the Far West Texas Public Defender's Office here. So we have members of that staff here, attorneys here for them. We have our county clerk and we have our bailiff. What I'm gonna do is, just to get started right away, is there is anyone out there that needs an interpreter, would you please identify yourself? Alguien que necesita un interpretador. Who needs an interpreter? Does everybody speak English?
Yes, Your Honor.
Carlos Valles, do you speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, and Ms. Santucci, you are present, right? So if you could hold on a second and give it a few more minutes and we'll see if anybody comes on that needs an interpreter. Huh? Okay, is that why the yellow hand is up? Oh, okay. Okay, well, so far so good then, though. We don't need anyone. Is everybody okay with everything? Anybody needs anything? Water? Anybody need a water or anything? Okay, great. Well, then I'll go ahead and call the first case to order. Which is Stephen Allen Trevino. Go ahead. Morning. So you have an offense of possession of marijuana under 2 ounces, between 2 to 4 ounces. And do you have an attorney representing you?
I believe I have representation from Far West Texas Public Defender's Office.
Oh, okay, thank you so much. Yes, your attorneys are here. Okay. So this is a pre-trial, and how will we be going forward today? Hold on, not you. I'm speaking to the attorneys.
Yes.
What? I couldn't hear you. The marijuana has not been tested, and you're going to make a motion to dismiss? Okay, was it sent out to the lab? And the reason for that is? Oh, you don't know who the officer is? Oh, it's incumbent upon the officer to do that?
There's such a backlog right now with testing any illegal substance or alleged illegal substance in Texas. And even if they had sent it, it would not have been tested. They're not testing any amount of anything that is reported to be marijuana in Texas at this time.
Okay, so
another issue, the state has in the legislature. Can't legal. If they messed up, they can find him. They also include the maps. The question mark whether or not marijuana has been inadvertently legalized.
Okay. All right. Mr. Trevino,
Yes, ma'am.
the state, the prosecuting office has made a motion to have your case dismissed. And the court is going to go ahead and grant that motion. Wrong thing. So you're going to be dismissed today, and you should be receiving a dismissal in the mail, an order of dismissal signed by me in the mail.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and if your address has changed at all, well, actually, I guess it hasn't, because we were able to notify you for court. But if you should have any questions in a month from now because you haven't heard anything, please call 432-729-4812. And they should be able to provide you with a copy of your dismissal if you have not received it. Make sure you get that copy.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to have a copy of that documentation.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very important that you have it. All right, so that is all for now. You're dismissed. Thank you for appearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I just need to get on iDocket, I think. Mr. Ponton, so going down this list, do we have other cases that are similar to that? That are going to be the exact same situation? Yes. Which one? What case? The first one? Is that going to be the same situation?
Yes. First Amendment. The only two. Supposed to be only two.
Excited about Mr. Stiegler. Yes, he's a terrorist that we don't have anything on him.
What number is that?
That's number 3. That's number 668.
You don't have any discovery?
No. She asked regarding the marijuana cases.
Okay.
So the 2 marijuana cases are doing this.
Number 1 and number 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. All right, I'm gonna call that one next, and then I still need you to go ahead whenever you go back to your desk and just make that motion.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Well, let me call that case first. The next case that I will call is the state of Texas versus Jesus Montemayor Vega.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, just hold on a second. Okay, so I know that you can't hear very well, but the state has made a motion to have your case dismissed. And so this court at this time is going to grant that motion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your case will be dismissed. And I guess you heard me say this to the other defendant who had a case dismissed. You could call 432-729-4812. If you want to write that down.
Give me a second, Your Honor.
Okay.
432.
Yes. 729-4812.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was
A
able to
month
take.
from now, if you have not received documentation saying that this case has been dismissed, Make sure you call that number and get that documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, and so if council would approach. I'm gonna mute myself just for a second. Okay, so the state will now call the case, the state of Texas versus Trayvon Malik Stiegler. Are you on?
Yes, I'm there.
Your case is going to be continued, Mr. Stiegler, and you will be receiving a court appearance for October.
Okay.
Between mid-October to the end of October. It won't be at the 1st of October. All right.
Okay.
And that you'll have to come back to court. Thank you. And for right now, you are dismissed.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Judge Ferguson has a jury trial scheduled here in this county on the 17th to the 21st.
17th through 21st.
Yes,
Okay. So it can't be that week.
so it can't be that week either, right now.
Okay, right.
If that changes, we'll let your
Yeah.
office know.
Yeah. And it's because we kind of need to go ahead and get ready for the October court,
I
even though
understand.
we're going to get ready for the September jury.
Right.
Because, yeah, if not, they just fall too much by the wayside.
I just thought you should know.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. That's a big help. Did you write that down? Okay, great. Okay, going down the line, still, is anybody on that needs an interpreter? No, nobody else has joined. Okay, so let us go now to the state of Texas versus Jose Samaniego Jr. Driving while intoxicated.
Here, ma'am. Present.
Your attorney is here to represent you also.
Okay.
If everybody could give me a minute, please, I'm just gonna go ahead and do roll call. Justin Joe Guevara, are you on?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Or Pixel 4A, okay.
Did you recall that?
Are we talking about Jose Samaniego Jr.?
No, talking about Guevara, 6724.
Wait.
thought you
Justin
said-
Joe Guevara?
Yeah.
Yes, so I was doing roll call, but go
I'm
ahead.
sorry.
Yeah,
I
go
thought you
ahead.
called that case. If you did, I want to discuss that small with the defense counsel. If you could recall that case at the end of the docket.
Okay. You want me to just continue it or?
Just recall it today at the end of the
Okay.
docket.
Okay,
Just give me a
great. I will.
chance to discuss it.
Yeah. No, you know what I was gonna do real quick is just take roll call real
That's fine.
fast because I do need
Thought you
the
mentioned that
deputy
case.
to go and call the names outside. Otherwise, we can't issue warrants.
Right.
Okay. So I wasn't calling it because the next case that we're gonna take care of right now is Jose Samaniego. But I've put that on hold just for a second while I do roll call. Okay. Carlos Valles Payan.
Yes, ma'am.
Carlos, where are you? Carlos
Yes.
Valles Payan?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, present.
Okay, there you are. Okay, great. And I apologize that I didn't do roll call earlier, but this is real important. Next, Cassidy Douglas Sharpner.
Sharpenberg, present, Your Honor.
Lorinda Carrillo. Lorinda Carrillo. Jose Jaime Cervantes. Jose Jaime Cervantes. Ulisa Perez Serrano. I thought we took care of her yesterday.
Person. Here.
Yeah? Oh, okay, yeah. Marcela Garcia. Okay, those are continuances. Vivian Ann Acosta. Vivian Ann Acosta. Nothing was filed on her? Saul Vasquez. Wait, Saul Vasquez was on yesterday. Huh? Yes. Okay, there you are. Great. Come on in. Let me just write this down before I issue a warrant for him. He was here yesterday. Okay, great. Yes, go ahead.
I just wanted to read the, we have, Ms. Carrillo, we have affidavits of non-prosecution. So these cases will likely be dismissed.
Okay, okay. So, let me just see, Rod? So they have affidavits of non-prosecution for Ms. Carrillo. Do you want to just go ahead and make the motion that the case be dismissed? So that way I can take her off of. All right. Okay, then I'll continue and I'll dismiss her in a little bit. I mean, when I finish, I'll go ahead and let her go home. Okay? All right, great. Thank you. Okay, Felix Almaraz. Felix Almaraz. Oh, he's connecting to audio. That's it. Okay, Ms. Acosta, you would approach, please. Approach the bench. Come forward. How are you doing? Okay, so we did receive affidavit. There are affidavits of non-prosecution. So the state has made a motion to dismiss your case, and then that motion has been granted. So you should get your paperwork sometime soon, delivered in the mail, saying that it's been dismissed. And then for right now, you are dismissed. You are free to go. Thank you for appearing. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Good luck to you. Okay, great. Okay, and we were on the Jose Samaniego case.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mr.
we
Samaniego.
resolved that with the-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ron.
we resolved that with the officer.
Okay.
I need to communicate that to my client.
Okay, so you'll be reaching out to him
Yes.
after court, not right now, right? You don't need to go in a breakout room or anything like that. Okay. Okay, Mr. Samaniego, your case has been resolved.
Okay.
Your attorney has resolved your case and they will be contacting you.
Okay, no problem.
And for right now, you're dismissed. Thank you for appearing today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Joe Guevara,
Yes, ma'am.
your attorney is here to represent you.
And in that case, Your Honor, I need to discuss it some more with the defense counsel.
So we're going to continue this for
To-
the
to
middle
end
of
the-
October?
We call it the end of the docket for an announcement, please.
Oh, okay. All right. So Mr. Guevara, if you could just stay on, we're going to recall your case at the end of the docket.
Okay. Yes,
For
ma'am.
right now, just stay on. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. All right. Next is the state of Texas versus Carlos Valles Payan.
State moves to dismiss that case on the basis of insufficient evidence. We don't have any video of the accident or the injury to the other vehicle and the officer who's left the area.
Okay. All right, Mr. Payan, the state has made a motion to dismiss your case, and the court is going to go ahead and grant that motion. So you should be receiving your motion, your order of dismissal in the mail. If you do not get it a month from now, please call 432.
Can you give me a second, man, please?
Yes.
It's
Ready?
yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
432
Yes, ma'am.
729
Yes, ma'am.
4812.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you should get a copy of the order where this case is dismissed. Make sure you get that. If you haven't gotten it in a month, like I said, check with a clerk's office.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and for now, you are dismissed. Thank you for appearing.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next case is the state of Texas versus Cassidy Douglas Sharpner.
Judge, this case is also being resolved with a PTE offer, but I need to communicate it to my client and we can get paperwork filled out.
Okay, so I'll let him know that. Okay.
That's correct.
So Mr. Sharpner, your case has been resolved and the attorney that is representing you will be contacting you to let you know how it has been resolved. and what has to take place next. But for right now, you are dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
That's just an affidavit of non-prosecution for Ms. Carrillo as well.
Okay, yes, so I've already dismissed her that way. I didn't have to. I mean, I already marked on here that she's gonna be dismissed because I was ready to issue a warrant. Okay, and then in a little bit, I need him to go call out one name. So the next person is Ulisa Perez Serrano, but I thought we took care of her yesterday.
Yeah, she's not representing.
Okay, so she has that one case she has one case that's being dismissed today. Which one is it?
Number
Just it?
166868.
And how's that being dismissed?
It's been dismissed. Insufficient evidence.
Insufficient evidence? I haven't signed these yet, have I? These dismissal? Okay. So. Okay, so for right now, Jose Jaime Cervantes. Okay, still has not appeared. Oh, wait, there's some people waiting to come in. Jose Jaime Cervantes, are you present? Oh, there's Lorinda. Okay.
Yes, Judge. And then with Mr. Cervantes, I just received the videos in his case today. So I request that his case be moved to continue to the October.
Okay. Okay, so then you don't have any names to call. Everybody's up here one way or another. Okay, so his case is going to be continued because you just got discovery, right?
Yeah.
Right, and I understand that you all work some. All right, Ms. Carrillo? Ms. Carrillo? Lorinda Carrillo?
I'm not sure she's connected. If we want us, we can call and just jump up with her.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Ms. Carrillo, can you hear me? Yeah, I can't hear her. Yeah, I guess just letting her know. Okay, great. So that's Miss. Saul Vasquez was on. Saul Vasquez. Wasn't he on yesterday for the same offense? I don't know why he's not present today. Oh, he is the one who barely had an attorney appointed yesterday.
We're not.
Yes, yes.
When did he-
I don't remember.
See, the last.
Yeah.
No, it was from another piece.
Yes, that's right. I remember. Okay.
So if we have a conflict, we're not gonna be able to represent him.
So I could ask another attorney to represent him?
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So when he, if he was here yesterday, I don't remember, if he applies online, when you get that email, you can just put whoever's name you want into, it's not more. If it happened, I don't know if it happened.
Okay. All right.
Liz is here, I don't know if she's taking appointments.
She left already.
And
Yes.
Shane O'Neill, who's in Liz's office, is taking felony appointments, but I'm not sure if it's taking any other types of appointments. There's also, and I don't know, I'm just trying to give lists of lawyers recall. Jamie Escudero. I don't know if he's taking appointments, but he's a criminal defense attorney.
How about Sandy Stewart?
Sandy Stewart, I don't know if she's taking appointments, but she's.
Can you call Ceci and ask her to come up here, please? Okay, so I'll appoint him an attorney. I'm just gonna put this as continued. And yes, I forgot about that we needed a whole other attorney. Okay, we have Felix Almaraz. At this time, I call the state of Texas versus Felix Almaraz. Mr. Almaraz, can you hear me? Mr. Almaraz.
And I've just received the videos.
So we need to continue this?
Is that right? I just received the videos on number 14, Almaraz.
I think this is one of the ones where you believe that you may have insufficient evidence, but you wanted to check with DPS, so you need to go.
Okay.
Continue for October?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Almaraz, your case is going to be continued for October. He doesn't seem to hear or be on, or he doesn't speak. Ms. Carrillo? Can you hear me? Can you make a motion if you can hear me? Okay.
And we'll call Felix Almaraz too.
Okay, great. That's it.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning, Ms.
Good
Carrillo.
morning. Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Carrillo, we have affidavits of non-prosecution for your case, and the state has made a motion to dismiss your case. So the court is going to go ahead and grant that motion, and you are dismissed.
Thank you.
Okay, you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Okay.
Alrighty.
take care.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And then we're going to recall right now Justin Joe Guevara. We were going to come back to that case. Mr. Almaraz, you are dismissed. Your case is going to be continued for October. Okay. All right, great. Okay. Yeah, I thought I just did. Yes, she is dismissed. Tell her thank you for appearing. Yeah. Oh, I thought you had her on the phone. Ms. Santucci, we didn't have anyone that needed an interpreter today, but thank you for being present, and submit your paperwork, and I'll get that signed for you for both days. And you are now dismissed. Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, Justin. Okay, and now Miss Ulisa, come here. Miss Ulisa, what did we decide about her? Isn't she continued? I don't know why she's still on. Oh, Ms. Perez? The state has made a motion to dismiss on your case. And so the court is going to go ahead and grant that motion. And so you should receive that paperwork within a month or so that your case has been dismissed. And if you do not receive the paperwork, please call 432 729 4812 and ask for your paperwork.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, and for right now, you're dismissed. Thank you. So, Cecily, would you do me a huge favor for Saul Vasquez? Do you have that downstairs, the list of everybody that should be in court today?
That's the list right there.
That's it? Okay.
That's the one that came in from.
Will you ask Sandy Stewart if I can appoint her to a case? I think it's a DWI or something like that. Let me see if I can give you that sheet of paper. That way we can call about it right now. Because I think 2 months ago, I forgot to do that. So and he keeps appearing for court and I'm the one holding it up. Hold on a second. So it's this one. It's this case. Go ahead and take it with you. Ask her if I can appoint her to this.
That'll be for today.
And
or
this is
that-
his offense. And then I want to have court continue his case for October, mid-October sometime. Or the end of October. Because the district judge has a jury trial a whole week in October.
Oh,
I got the
okay.
date right here, the 17th through the 21st.
Okay.
So we can't have court
It'll
then,
have to be-
but it'll be the end of October. Yeah. But if you can't get him, maybe her, maybe Shane O'Neill, but make sure that I get him an attorney due date.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so we are back to, and why do I have Adam Mediano on right now?
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't receive a paper in the mail. So I was just wondering what was going on with my case because I haven't been to court since last month.
What was your charge, Mr. Mediano?
It was a DWI.
A first or a second?
It's the first one I've ever had.
First one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make a note that you appear today. And then what I'm gonna do is just make sure that you get to come up on the court for October. And that
Okay.
court will be sometime after the 22nd of October.
Okay.
Thank you though for coming to court today.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a good day. So we'll put him on the next docket. Did you write it down? Mr. Mediano, oh, he's off.
Is it Lawrence?
Yeah. But I don't recall it being this. But I don't recall it being dismissed. I don't know. Yeah, I don't have iDocket on. So, okay. Let's see. All we have now is Justin Joe Guevara.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Guevara, your attorney will be reaching out to you on,
Okay.
on a possible way to resolve your case, but they would like to discuss it with you first. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue your case for after October 22nd. I will be having court October 22nd through October 31st, sometime in between then. and your case will be called at that time.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, so just go ahead and expect to hear from your attorneys. All right, do
Okay.
you have the number to that office in case you don't hear very
Yes,
soon?
I got the number.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I have everything for it.
So you're dismissed at this time. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, and that wraps up all the cases. Thank you, everyone, for appearing. Thank you to the clerk's office, our bailiff, Deputy Garcia, and everyone who appeared. Thank you so much. Have a good day.